Hey everybody, TechDad here. Doing a quick follow-up video on the Holosun HS503C that I purchased a few weeks ago. I've been out to the range and I've gone through a steel match, and this is a lot of fun. This is really cool optic. The circle dot combo is really awesome. The circle makes it really easy to center your target as you're transitioning from target to target, to be able to surround your target with that circle. It just makes it really quick. My times were lower than normal at the event, so I was really happy. Let's see, a few things I wanted to talk about. One, the battery compartment. That's a pain in the neck to open up and change the battery, but luckily you won't have to do that very often. But it's just one of the few minuses that I know, at least with this model. The plus and minus buttons are rubber, and so that's a nice feature. I haven't tested the underwater capability of this. I'm not going to, but supposedly this is good for, I think they said 1 meter, or definitely rain. But like I said, I'm not gonna test it. Now, when you get the scope, it comes in automatic mode, so it uses the solar cell, and adjusts the lighting accordingly. This works really well. I left it in automatic mode, and I didn't need to touch it. Bright sun, the dot was bright. Messing around in my hallway in the dark, it goes really dim and switches pretty quickly. I'm going to try to roll in some footage here so you can see that, and also I'm going to talk about something that I figured out on my own, where basically it's there's basically 2 levels of auto level. Give me a sec. Let me see if I can set this up. Okay, let's see if this works out. Okay, so right now it's in automatic mode. If I cover the top of the cells, of the solar cells, then it goes down really dark. Now, there are 2 levels. If I go to the side and click on the plus and minus buttons, there, it just went lower one level basically. So there's a low automatic and a high automatic, and that'll make it slightly brighter or slightly dimmer in automatic mode. See, I just pressed it up. See, now it's slightly brighter. If I hold on to the plus button for 3 seconds, it goes into manual mode, which I set really bright so you can see there. And okay, and while in manual mode is the only mode where you can switch the circle on and off. So if I hit the negative button for 3 seconds, then it just turns to a red dot, standard red dot. So I have to do it again, press the negative button for 3 seconds, and it comes back. And to switch it back onto automatic mode, hit the plus button for 3 seconds, and then it dims and comes back, so you know you're in automatic mode. So again, there are 2 automatic modes, a low and a high. If I make it work now. There you go, there's the high. So, bottom line, an awesome sight. This has worked well with my primary arms 3x magnifier. So if you're in the market for, I guess, a mid-range optic, this one is $220. I picked it up for a percentage off because it was on sale, but basically $200 to $220 range, something like this, or the Spark. Look at this one, mainly because of the automatic and solar power features, which are really nice, and the circle dot feature, which is really nice. I don't know if many other optics at this price range have that option for you. Okay, so until next time.